Alright, boys and girls, today is June 10th, 2020, and today is Wednesday. For your reading, you're going to be crossing out the sound and you're going to circle the sound. So wherever you see the sound, you cross it out. Wherever you see the sound, you circle it. And remember from the story, the sentence we read yesterday, the story says he is sick and sad. I'm going to say it again. He is sick and sad. Now, does this boy look sick and sad? Yeah, he looks pretty sick. Now, do you wonder why he's really sick? Well, maybe he's been eating a whole lot. He has a whole lot of food to eat, and that is so much for his stomach. Now, all you need to do is to color this picture, and I'll be waiting to see. Now, these words, you're going to match it to the one on the side. We have the same set of words on the side. Now, those words are all scattered. Now, I'm going to say the words. We have mad, sit, fan, me. Now, the first word is mad. Now, I'm going to look for the word that is the same with this. I'm going to look for, is this mad, fan, mad, mad, sit, mad, me, mad, mad. Now, I see the word mad. I'm going to connect the dots. And you do the same for sit, fan, and me. Now we have sounds. You're going to fill up the sounds on these blanks. Now I'm going to say the sounds. Listen. A, That's what you need to do on this page for your language arts. Sorry, for reading. Now, on your language arts, we have pictures right here. You're gonna match it to the one that look the same. Now we have a car, horse, and fish. Now one is missing. Now when you start with a car, you're gonna connect it to this. You start with a horse, you're gonna connect it to the one that looks like a horse. You have fish, you're gonna connect it to the one that looks like a fish. And now you're going to have the table left. So all you need to do is to connect the dots and draw a picture of a table here. Now we have some objects here. We have the bicycle, the wagon, and I've forgotten the name is used to cut the grass. All you need to do is to circle the object that is first in line, and you cross out the object that is next in line. Now here we have a picture of a girl holding her nose, touching her nose, touching her hair, touching his knee, touching his toes. Now, like you already know, you're going to have an adult help you cut it out, and you're going to paste one for the first and the one for the next. You're going to have first, next, first, next. All right, boys and girls, this is for math. You're going to be adding on the side. So we have 4 plus 4 equal blank. Now for you to know the answer, you need to make lines. Now I'm going to make 4 lines because I have 4. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. And I have 4 here. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm going to count my lines together. Get ready. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then I write number 8 right here, and I'm going to make 8 lines to make sure I have the correct lines. Now let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That's all you need to do for this part. Now on this part, we already have the lines made up here. All you need to do is to count it together, put the answer in the blank spaces. Now we have 2. Let's count this line. 1, 2. Now let me see how many lines we have here in order for me to put my answer here. Now let's go. 1, 2. So you put number 2 right here, and then I still have a blank space here. All I need to do is to count the lines together, put my answer, and make my lines. Now let me count it together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I have 4. I'm going to put number 4, and then I'm going to make 4 lines. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you do that for the one all the way. Now here I have my numbers. All you need to do is to draw lines, connect the number to the dot again, and you make the lines. Now I have 2. I'm going to make 2 lines. 1, 2. And you do the same for that. And on this side you have circles. You count the circles and circle the right answer, and you cross out the wrong one. Now let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Is this a 7? No. Is this a 7? No. Is this a 7? Yes. And do the same for all this for your math. Alright, boys and girls, for your science, we are still trying to see what our signs of taste is. Now you're going to match the words and the pictures of its own category. So we have sweet, sour, salty. Now you're going to have an adult say the words to you. So you have sweet, sour, salty. Now we have different fruits all in the circle. All you need to do is to connect the fruits to the words, but you must have tested it before you connect them. Now this is a picture of I think that is a plum. Okay, now I know this fruit is sweet, so I'm going to connect it down to the word that says sweet. Now this is juice, orange juice. You're going to connect it to the word that goes with it. Is it sweet, sour, or salty? This is lemon, sandwich. This is some tea. This is orange. This is hamburger. This is ice cream. This looks like, I think, chocolate or something. This is pizza. This is some chicken. This is candy. This is banana. And this is apple pie. Now all you need to do is to connect it to the words that match the taste. Alright, for our wants and need, you're going to need some things to survive, like I already discussed with you. But some things we want but don't need. There's some things we want but we don't really need them. Now you're going to look at the pictures below and write down whether you think each one is a need or a want. Now this is a house. Would that be a want or a need? That would be a want. Now I'm going to write W. Oh, I'm sorry. That's going to be a need. I'm going to write N for the house because everybody needs to be in a house for safety. Now ring, would that be a want or a need? Lipstick, chocolate, football, clothes, ice cream, teddy bear, medicine, dinner, necklace, and water. All you need to do is to write a W or an N to show if it is a need or a want.